High in the Indian Himalayas, at over 16,000 feet, lies a small, frozen lake. For most of the year it is sealed under snow and ice, silent as the sky above. But when the ice melts, the lake reveals its secret. Hundreds of human skeletons scattered along its shores and depths. A lake of the dead, known as Roopkund. The skeletons were first discovered in the 1940s by a forest ranger, though local shepherds had always whispered of the place. Initial estimates suggested a single disaster, perhaps a landslide, famine, or plague. But the bones told a more complicated story. Some skeletons dated back to the 9th century, others to the 19th. Men and women, young and old, all laid together in a haunting mix. Archaeologists found evidence of blunt force trauma on many skulls, yet no weapons nearby. Their belongings, jewelry, and tools were scattered in the snow, offering no clear narrative. Who were they? Why did they come to such an inhospitable place? And what killed them all at once? Theories abounded. An army lost in the mountains, pilgrims caught in a storm, victims of ritual sacrifice. But local legend carried its own answer: the wrath of a goddess. According to folklore, the goddess Nanda Devi struck down a group of travelers who had dishonored her sacred land, hurling hailstones as hard as iron. Incredibly, modern forensic studies seem to echo the myth. The trauma on the skulls matches blows from round, blunt objects like hailstones. The skeletons of Roopkund may be the frozen record of a storm so fierce it became legend. The mystery of Roopkund is both chilling and strangely moving. Hundreds of people, separated by centuries, united in death at the same sacred lake. Whether they were pilgrims or wanderers, their bones became part of the mountain's memory, preserved in ice. Perhaps Roopkund is less a riddle to be solved than a reminder. Humanity is always at the mercy of forces larger than itself: nature, myth, and time. The lake does not speak in answers, it speaks in echoes. If science confirms the legend, does that mean myth was never just imagination? If bones can lie frozen for 1,000 years, what other forgotten histories still sleep beneath the earth? And if this lake is a graveyard of travelers, how many other sacred places hold their own unspoken secrets?